Why buy Vitamix Direct? When you buy Vitamix Direct, you're supporting blending with Henry. And there's also a lot more benefits to it.
When you buy Vitamix Direct, not only are you supporting my business, but you get exclusive products. So you get free shipping for all blenders and containers, flexible payment options, 60-day money-back free trial. Depending on select sales, free gifts may be included. Now, when you sign up for the Vitamix email newsletter, you get $25 off your purchase, and that includes special Henry exclusive deals. Your Vitamix product is automatically registered, and as I mentioned earlier, you get Henry exclusive deals. Now you guys, to take advantage of all of this, you have to first click the links to the products you're interested in on my website or below the videos on my YouTube channel. You will see my special code 06-Henry at the checkout screen. So let's take a look at the Vitamix Black Friday holiday deals on the Direct website. Up to $125 off Vitamix blenders. Now the best deals are their bundles, you guys. Now right here where you see Combine and Save. Now, for example, the entertaining bundle, which includes the Vitamix Ascent A3500, the 64-ounce wet blade container, and the 48-ounce air disc container for making non-blended drinks, foams, and much more. Then on the All Blenders page, you will see all of their bundles and more machines, especially the latest models such as the Gold Label A3500 and the new Propel machines, which are hybrids of the Pro 500, 7500, and the Pro 750. Then on their accessories page, you will see the stainless steel straws, underblade scraper, travel mug, and accessories for the immersion blender and food processor attachment. Now these all make great stocking stuffers. I recently had a giveaway for the Vitamix 48-ounce wet color containers, and thanks to you guys, it was very successful. Now here are a few of the winners' photos. Now here's David. Now I promised David a blue one, but it defaulted to the purple one by accident. But that purple one totally suits him. And here's Patty. Now that yellow looks amazing and it fits your kitchen background. And here's Jen, another purple winner. And that purple really looks amazing. Now I had another winner named Tamika, but I didn't receive her picture. But thank you all for entering the giveaway. Appreciate you as always. The color containers make an amazing holiday gift. You guys have to agree with that now. Now they are compatible with all full-size Vitamix machines. Lastly, the Vitamix immersion blender and the Vitamix food processor attachment are perfect accessories in my opinion for any Vitamix fan. Now the food processor is for the Ascent and Venturous V1200 machines. Breville Direct offers a 20% Black Friday holiday discount on many products. Now my favorite is the Smoking Gun Pro that you see on the left. Now Breville's countertop ovens are amongst the best in the industry for home use. I just love mine. Now so let me show you my new favorite toy, the Smoking Gun Pro. Now these have been selling out like crazy. This is a commercial grade smoker, and there's also the standard model, but this is the one to buy. Now it comes with a kit with sample wood chips, and it runs on batteries, so it's easy for you to use indoors and outdoors. You just need a very small amount in the burning chamber. Then you want to turn on the adjustable fan and light the wood chips. You can even smoke tea leaves, dried herbs, and spices. Now, I'm cold smoking cheese. You can use this dome chamber, not included, or you can use your own cover to trap the smoke. And firstly, look at the table presentation. Alone, it will surprise your guests. But that smoked cheese hickory flavor is second to none. And it just takes a few minutes and the smoke smells great. Now I'm making smokehouse almonds. All you have to do is just put in your favorite seasonings, a little bit of oil, and then you want to toss them to mix in the flavors. Cover them in plastic to trap the smoke and light up the smoking gun. Now you can do this in a Ziploc bag or anything to trap the smoke. Now give them another toss so the smoke mixes in. Now you want them to set for about 10 minutes. But look at that presentation. Now you can smoke the almonds at least 3 times for maximum smoke flavor. And this is far better in my opinion than liquid smoke. Scrolling down further, you will see more of Breville's smart ovens and microwaves, which are all part of the 20% off Black Friday holiday discount. Another number one selling product from Breville is their sous vide immersion circulator called Joule Turbo. Now, if you haven't cooked sous vide as of yet, you guys, you're really missing out. Sous vide in French means cooking under vacuum. So you vacuum pack your meats, veggies, desserts, and much more and cook them in a water bath. Now, perfectly even cooking. So, in my opinion, there's just nothing better to achieve perfection. Now, I'm using Breville's commercial Hydro Pro Plus, but you can use the Joule Turbo, which costs less for the same results. I made this cheesecake underwater and it's perfectly firm and dense inside and out. And most of you know how difficult it is to make the perfect homemade cheesecake. It's always a little runny or soft in the middle. Lastly is the Breville Control Freak. It is the world's finest portable induction cooktop. Those are my words, you guys. Now, it's built to withstand the tough world of restaurant kitchens, and it's made to be used in commercial environments or at home. Now, it makes the perfect pancakes. Everyone knows the first pancake is the worst one. Now, from the first to the last, the Control Freak makes them perfect. Virtually perfect French omelets every time. Another great feature is fast heat recovery during deep frying. Now, I made these buffalo wings and ribeye steaks using the temperature probe. Now, the probe sends the correct heat to meats and your frying oil. Other temperature probes do not do this, so definitely consider the Breville Control Freak. And that's the Blending with Henry recommended Black Friday Cyber Holiday Deals checklist.
So please support Blending with Henry so I may provide more content and recipes for you. So please support Blending with Henry so I may provide more content. I was chasing that. Go again. So please support Blending with Henry All right. Okay. All right.
3, 2, 1.
So please support Blending with Henry because that airplane's coming by right now. Well.
It's the most wonderful time